So hello guys, today we are going to play Mira HQ. It's a one imposter game and I'm the imposter. So now let's go. There's a hacker in the lobby and I want to kill him so bad. Like I hate hackers literally. They ruin the whole game when somebody's imposter. So I'm going there and luckily I met him on the way, so I killed him. Now I'm sabotaging lights so they don't know I'm here and I have not killed him. Okay, we're going to move to admin and I see orange there, so I move up not to raise any suspicion and I go in. And I start messing with lights a little to gain my kill. Now as you can see there, the lights went back off even though I didn't open my sabotage menu and there was a cooldown on lights. So I killed there and then started messing with lights again. Red moved out and then he reported the body. Luckily everyone skipped, so I was good to go. The lights were yet off, so we moved there again. I started messing with the lights again, so my kill cooldown would go back. As soon as they were off, I went back to do my task. I had a task over here, so I did that, and orange did that with me. Then I went to reactor to do my tasks, and since orange went with me, he was there, he saw me go into reactor. So I couldn't vent out or else he would know I was the imposter. So I stayed in there, completed my tasks and waited for more people. Then yellow came in and I was tempted to kill him. But then I went down and saw that there were two others in the decontamination. Then I got an idea, I would switch off lights and went back in there. Switched them off, I went back and then I killed yellow. That would mean that they wouldn't think I was the imposter because I went out. I move out from here and I go to the top. I see pink, orange and red there, so I start messing with the lights again, but they fixed it before me. Again somebody switched the lights off when I didn't even open the sabotage menu. So I was confirming that it was a hacker and I thought it was the same person I killed there, Cyan, but it wasn't him because he left the game when we went to the first lights. Now I just saw orange come into Elec and then he went into Elec again. And I killed pink right there and she's yet there. Luckily I convinced them that it was orange and not me, even though yet it was a tie. Then I went there again and red was on my side, so I wanted to frame white who killed orange or orange who killed white. And I went down there to find them. Luckily white was there. I was searching for white and I wanted to go ahead red because orange had come from the right. Here I just was thinking about new ways to frame orange and white, but I couldn't get them. Finally I went down and I thought of sabotaging lights and killing. First of all I did weapons task with red, not to raise any suspicion, and I tried to kill one of them, but I failed. Now as you can see they went up to lights. Now I went there. And I vented and killed white and then reported the body. I framed it on orange, but red thought it was me. And pink is yet alive in the meeting. I don't know how, I don't know why. I tried to convince red that it was not me and it was orange. But then orange and red both voted me. I wanted to waste time, so orange wouldn't vote, but then orange left.
I will run, I will climb, I will soar. I'm undefeated. Oh, jumping out of my skin, pull the cord. Yeah, I believe it.
And then when there was a very intriguing glitch, I was very confused with this glitch. Orange had voted me, but his name, his tag was not there, and I got kicked off only with one vote. I don't know how.
Not until you fall that you fly. When your dreams come alive, you're unstoppable.